This video I'm going to teach you how to fix Skate unable to connect to EA servers. So I have in here this article wherein you can see in here the Skate known issues and how you can actually fix them. So EA's Skate game is actually the first entry in the series in 15 years. So here are some known issues like unable to connect for the long queues, unable to place session marker as well as ferry, cross plays, crashes, and editors as well as some more issues that you can see right here. So in order to actually fix this particular issues, what you can do is the basic troubleshooting option, which is to close the skate and to open it again. So this should be able to fix any minor bugs that you have. You can also head over to your browser and head over to fast.com and see if your internet can actually support the game itself. If it is, you can head over and then make sure to open Skate. As you can see, it's actually quite slow right now, so that might be the cause of the issue. So you need to also verify your game files, check your firewall and antivirus settings, and make sure that they're not blocking the game. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.